What's going on, everyone? Hope you're having a good day. So the other day we did an unboxing that was an exhaust system for my father's 2018 Tundra. Well, today we got another unboxing, but this time it's for the truck sitting outside right now, the Platinum Pro. I'm very excited. Let's get to it. Well, as you can see, the box kind of gives it away. So we are going to open these babies right here. Take a guess down below what you think it is before we open it. You got to give NFAB a big high five because the way they pack these side steps are insane. As you can see, there's tape on the one end that you open from, but they also use these metal clips so nothing comes apart. And wait till you see how they look inside the box, totally secure. Alright, I finally got the box to this point. NFAB is going to get the award for best packed box of all time. It took me forever. Yeah, very well packaged. So we got to the point where we'll do a little mini reveal before we unwrap one of these steps and show you. So let's take that off. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said, we will unpack them, but here's your first view. I'm already very excited. These are the Predator Pro steps from NFAB, my absolute favorites, and here they are. So let me keep unwrapping these and I will show you what they look like. Okay, here's one of them unwrapped. Already very, very excited about my purchase. At first glance, three things I love about these already. Well, like other NFAB steps, it's one-piece construction. The part that bolts to the actual truck is connected to the step. A lot of other companies out there will give you side steps where you put this part on first, then the step, and then through ownership, these will get loose, and then you'll get a lot of rattle. So one-piece construction all the way through, which I'm a big fan of. Number two, get these new steps here with side protection so you don't slip off. That's really cool. Number three, 100% aluminum. They're super light compared to the other ones. And I'm going to give you a number four too. They sit up really close to the body, which is also just definitely my kind of look. A nice clean look. I'm definitely into these steps versus power steps. So the closer to the body, the better, so you don't ruin your ground clearance. NFAB definitely outdid themselves with the way they packed that box. It was a lot longer than it looked like on camera. That was probably like 30 minutes opening that box. I'm actually sweating from it. So NFAB, thank you for protecting the product. Not only was the box completely secure, but when you opened it, they were wrapped up so they couldn't move, and they were wrapped up so they couldn't rub against each other or anything like that. So of all the stuff we always talk about, how stuff is shipped to us, NFAB is definitely taking home the trophy today for sure. So now let me give you a couple details from NFAB about these Predator Pro steps. So first off, pricing. These steps for my cab, my truck, my configuration, all that, on the NFAB website is $578.94. Now the coolest part about these steps to me is they build them per order. So when you order them, they make them for you. So it's kind of like a custom part. Very cool on that one. These are obviously the textured black, which I think looks the best with that hashtag no chrome lifestyle. But we go down to the description. I'm just going to read you some of the features that these steps are all about in case I missed anything. So 100% aluminum construction for long-lasting durability and corrosion resistance in the toughest environments. So that right there is a huge, huge thumbs up. All aluminum, like I said, very lightweight compared to the ones that are on there now. So that'll be cool. The engineered aluminum extruded main bar with aluminum end caps fit tight to the body, creating the ultimate in clean style. Another huge win right there. Patented drop-down hoop step with new larger step area for ease of access for stock or lifted vehicles. Dimpled step pad for secure footing in any condition. And it's a fully welded one-piece design for strength and ease of installation. Now, the good part about these steps, this is my third set of end fabs. Very, very, very simple install. You don't need any special tools, pretty much just the socket set. I would say not even 15 minutes each side. You could definitely do it yourself. I always like to have a second person with me, so when I'm laying under the truck, they can hand the bar to me, but I have put them on by myself. It's definitely possible. One more thing, the warranty is a 5-year on the finish and limited lifetime on the workmanship. So it's, you know what, they're a little more expensive than a lot of the steps out there, but these are built to last. Now, the reason I'm taking off the end fabs I have now and going this direction is because this is a newer step from Enfab, and I wanted to show you guys what it's all about. Love the lightweight design, love the 100% aluminum build on them and everything. So wanted to try something from Enfab, but a little new. One thing I love about Enfab, I love the look of them, the look of the steps, the look of the bumpers. All the stuff they offer is amazing. Dealing with the folks from Enfab is a piece of cake. They're there to help. Always good attitudes, always great communication, which for me, that's how you win me over. You do it that way. So this is my third set in a row of Enfabs, and I got to be honest with you, I don't think I would be happy with any other brand. Like I said, I love the look. So if you have any questions about these steps, let me know. These will go on the Tundra probably sometime next week. So we will do the installation of them and all that and the review. And at the end of this video, I will put up the product part number for you in case you want to order these yourself. Like I said, these are from the Enfab website. So it's www.enfab.com. And as always, I thank you for watching. Please have yourself an enjoyable Friday evening. Twitter and Instagram at TundraDude34, TundraDude34@gmail.com. You guys have a great day.